All right, so stuff keeps piling up, and it does keep piling up. I actually got a text message just a minute ago that we're gonna go get a elliptical, and so let's go do that. Let's go, and then we're gonna go do some scrapping after that. So let's get to it. All right, so I'm here to get this elliptical, and hopefully it won't be too heavy for me to get, but you know, we'll see. How's it going? I was the one that was called about this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Oh, let me get my keys there. All right. Yes, sir. Okay, let's see here. Got wheels. Wheels are all in the front, okay. That's good to know. Do what? I'm actually, what, does it work? I'm actually thinking about sticking it in my backyard. But yeah, I do scrap metal though. Okay.
Got an old bicycle over there you can take too.
Okay, inside here?
Yeah.
Oh, so this is the cord to this.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, not these.
There you go.
All right, man.
Yeah, this thing is
Wow.
old, man.
Yeah, it is. Wow.
I mean, it's old.
That's
But
really
I'm
cool.
saying old. I mean, old. We dug it up from up under our house.
Wow.
Take the seat.
It's nice looking.
Oh, I call myself trying to sand and paint, but
Yeah, but it's just it's. You're right. It's not a new bike at all.
not. Oh no, no.
Not even close. I mean, you can tell it's.
Definitely ain't
They're
color.
worn and used.
No, it's old.
I said old.
It's-
Well, it looks like an old car. Was what I mean. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So like just the way it was made, the way it looks,
And I've been
the
having-
fenders on it, and everything on it. Yeah.
Sitting there. And I just didn't want to put it over there. I said, I'm going to give it to somebody that either might want to try to do something with it.
Yeah. I mean, this is nice.
I don't even know if that bike shop is uptown anymore. Probably take it up there
Okay.
at 17.
Okay.
But I don't want it.
All right. All right.
I can't ride it, bro.
Well, yeah. Let me go put it in the car.
All right, man.
You can figure it out. I'm sure it could work.
How I'm going? I ain't got no legs.
Hey, people do it. People do it every day.
Okay, I can get it on a hill. Oh, wait a minute, I can't hit the brakes. Oh, yeah, I can.
I did see a guy with a motorbike. He had hit a bicycle with a motor on it.
That's different.
All you gotta do is, I mean, it was working.
Thank you anyway.
If y'all have anything else, y'all just give me a call, all right?
Got your number right here.
Yes, sir. I'll get that cord real quick. Get that cord real quick. Alrighty. Thank you. Y'all have a great day. get this side. I don't think that's gonna go anywhere. Okay. They go again. I'm gonna set y'all up and let y'all watch me get it out of the truck because it should be entertaining. I'm gonna put it on a time lapse and hopefully it's not too terrible. We'll have to find a place here to get set up and then we'll get going. Hello. Are you getting rid of all this over here?
Yeah.
Just gonna get the metal out of your way for you? All right, thank you. Let's see here. Maybe a way I can get this. Let's see. Drill. Let's see here, we're going to start with All right, thank you. I already see something good. I see a rope to tie stuff down with. That's good because you always need more rope. Always could use more rope. Let's see what else we got here. There's some cans. We still need cans. Look at these cans. see what else. Can. Is it a box of cans? There's quite a few cans in there. So they had a party. There's some cans. I don't see him much else. No. Can't forget the NOS can. Oh, got stuff in it. All right, be on our way. This whole area is like lots of hills, and it's crazy driving through here. Okay. Down. There's a little dog coming to attack me. I guess he's gonna stop. Take you. I don't know what you are. That bar there. There's a deer leg. A little bit of aluminum, steel. See this little dog right here. What you doing causing all that racket? Oh, is that how it is? All right. He's gonna tear me all the way down. You better move out of the way. Grab this pole first, that way, just in case I have to defend myself against this little creature of evilness right there. So, okay. wood. So wood. That's wood. Take that fan out. That fan might work. Get an electrical panel box there. I think that's gonna be it. The reason I'm doing it here instead of up there is because this splits into this one there, and it makes it so much more difficult to get it out, so that won't happen. Nope, that's where the control panel was, and I would say it doesn't now. Take that. All right. Let's see here. Let's put you back on. Alright, I'm gonna put you into the trash can. Here we go. Now is about as good as place as I need to do some rearranging. This bar here. Wonder if there's anything else. I don't see anything. Well, let's see here. That's a bunch of dirt. Some of the cans. Yeah. See a can. All right, look at this pile we got here. What do we have here? There's quite a bit. Okay. Wait, that's kind of cool. It extends. That's really neat. Oh, this is really Maybe that would be a deer. It's probably a deer jawbone. It's pretty neat. We have a jack. It's a good amount of weight. There's a cord. All these cans. Chair. Is that? I don't know what you are. Maybe some kind of steak. I'm not really sure. I don't see much else. Just seems like this here. I think I'm gonna take that slide home and see if my son can maybe use it. Maybe. Let's see. I think that's gonna be about it. Oh, I can't get it up there. Are you serious? Well, I can't get that big thing because I don't want all that plastic, but I am taking the slide because I think maybe I can my son to use it. He might enjoy it, you never know. Back to this cable again. Right there. There's no long ones around here. I'll take that. Or right there. There's some cans, but I don't feel like digging.